Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Corolla tire. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level, firm surface, away from moving traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly and turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Next, locate your spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and the owner's manual. Always ensure your spare tire is correctly inflated before you begin the tire changing process. Now, with your vehicle safely parked, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 turn each, but do not remove them yet. Next, consult your owner's manual for the correct jack points. Position the jack securely under the vehicle's frame, then slowly raise the car until the flat tire is approximately 6 inches off the ground. Always be cautious and ensure stability. Once the vehicle is raised, you can now fully remove the lug nuts you previously loosened. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire, align its holes with the wheel studs, and push it firmly onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts onto the spare until they are snug. With the spare tire in place and hand tightened, slowly lower your vehicle until the spare tire just touches the ground. Now, use the lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once all nuts are tight, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack. Finally, store the flat tire, jack, and lug wrench securely in your trunk. Drive cautiously to a service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.